So these are a handful of coins. There are only 17 coins that are bullish against Bitcoin on the daily time frame. I don't think we should go any lower than the 12-hour time frame. Take a screenshot of this. This is your alpha right here. Trade this. What is Doge? Oof, this one's blue. Doge BTC. Let's go look at Doge. Alright guys, so that was a clip from the previous live stream where we were looking at the Mango dashboard, and what we did was we filtered out all the coins that were looking strong against Bitcoin. And to do that, all we have to do is filter out the Bitcoin pairings and the long pairings, right? And Doge at the time was not only looking strong against Bitcoin, but its volatility was compressed to blue, and blue means good. That's where the opportunities are in the bull market. Now you guys can see that the volatility is pretty high up there, but that doesn't mean the opportunity is gone. Let's go back on over to the chart. You guys can see right over here, Doge has had a massive impulsive move, but this move pushes Doge out of a consolidation range that I was a bit concerned about, because when we found Doge, it was sitting at a much more favorable price at around 9 cents, but at the same time it was sitting pretty close to resistance. Now in hindsight, we should have just bought right there. The dashboard never ever fails, especially the 12-hour time frame on the dashboard, right? And the 12-hour flipped long 3.7 days ago, up 47% since. We've been using the 12-hour as a barometer for a year and a half now at Mango, and this edge continues to deliver. We should not doubt it. I regret doubting it, but that doesn't mean that this trade has slipped us by, because there will still be opportunity. We just got to be patient. So should we buy Doge over here? In my opinion, no. We need to be a tad bit more patient and wait for a better entry. That entry could be either higher or lower. If you guys go ahead and take a better look, you're going to see that we're sitting right up against resistance right now. Doge had its impulsive move, but now we're sitting up against resistance. Furthermore, flipping back on over to the dashboard, use the volatility over here as your guide, guys. Remember, blue volatility was good, right? Well, red volatility is flashing a warning sign, and the 12-hour volatility is sitting at 100. Furthermore, we have potential bearish divergence on the 4-hour as well. We can use this as a catalyst to wait for a pullback and get a better bid opportunity, hunt for the high low, and then look for that big target. And that big target, guys, is all the way up to 37 cents. And Doge could even break that target and go further and further and further. We're looking at all-time highs at 75 cents. So there's a lot more juice on this trade, guys. Way more. If we get a nice bid opportunity in this zone over here, coming in at around 11 cents, we're looking at a move, a 237% move, 237% move for our first target. And then to all-time highs, we're looking for a 600% move. And I'm going to keep you guys updated as this trade progresses, as you get new levels, new bid opportunities. So make sure to hit the subscribe and the notification icon so that way you're not missing out on the next buy opportunity for Dogecoin. There's a lot more on this, okay? But you got to be patient. If you're patient and you get a good entry, you won't get shook out of your trade, right? If you get a bad entry, you're always worried, you're always stressed, you're not being Mango, and then you'll exit at the worst time, and that's when your coin will pump, right? You'll always be chasing the most shiny, new, red toy. You don't want to be doing that. You want to keep this Mango, right? So remember, we are sitting at resistance over here. We can either wait for this level to clear, because there's still so much edge to the upside if we clear this level, or if we get a nice little pullback, right? Anywhere close or at this yellow zone would be a buy opportunity. Let me go ahead and read out the number for you. 11.685 cents. 11.685 cents is the top of the zone. The bottom of the zone is 10.685 cents, right? So a nice 1 cent range right over there. You guys need to be drawing out a zone there, okay? Don't get too nitpicky with your entries. If you're anywhere close around there and you're looking to trend trade this, it'll be good enough. Now, I also do want to mention that we have an interim target, a take partial profit target, somewhere around the 20 cent region. Do you guys see this M-like formation over here? That was a massive breakdown point where Doge retested that level and then had its big downtrend, right? Furthermore, all you need to do is switch on over to the monthly time frame, and you're going to see that that was a key consolidation range on the monthly that once we broke down initiated the downtrend and then the consolidation, right? So reversing this consolidation likely is going to see Doge see some sort of resistance over here, okay? We're going to be looking for this to break. Of course, right? It is a bull market, and I do think that level will break. But taking some partial profits over here at around the 20-cent region will not be a bad idea because it's a psychological level too. Now, this depends on how big your position size is. The smaller your position size, the more you can let it ride for the higher targets. That's how I like to trade at the very least. The bigger the position size, I will take profits on the way at key levels. Now, this level over here, guys, remember, we're not looking to buy right over here. We're either looking to buy a little bit higher and then look for that big move to 36 cents first, and then eventually to all-time highs at 74 cents, and we'll keep a bit of a trade still to take it to much higher levels after, because we never know what this bull market can do. And I think this bull market is going to surprise a lot of people. But at the same time, you want to be taking profits at these key junctures and funnel those profits, guys, into your favorite coin. And your favorite coin could be Bitcoin, it could be Ethereum, it could be Cardano, or hey, it could be USD, right? You could say, hey, you know what? Now going to this bull market, I'm going to want to collect USD and prepare for the next bear market. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to be doing an update on this one whenever we do get a pullback or the next impulsive move. So make sure to hit the subscribe and the notification icon, so that way you don't miss the next update, and more importantly, the next live stream, which will be coming up later today.
So we've been trading the markets for almost a decade now, and if there's one thing we've learned, it's that the biggest opportunities are missed because there's just far too much going on. There's too much to analyze and not enough time. It can all get extremely stressful, and that's just simply not Mango. So over the past few years, we developed the Mango dashboard to eliminate the stress and strip away the complexity. Instead of slaving away in front of the screen all day, the Mango dashboard will narrow down opportunities for you with a single click using our quick filter buttons. You'll get access to trend signals across all timeframes, as well as volatility profile across all timeframes. There's bullish and bearish hidden divergences, Ichimoku big trend signals, as well as buy zones and sell zone markers. And it's all shown in a simple way. And guess what, guys? It doesn't end just there. For the advanced trader, the dashboard also gives you access to the Mango view, which helps you mark out FVG support and resistance zones to help you milk out those extra profits. We also have key trend analysis indicators to make sure you're always on the right side of the trend, as well as the Mango Ichimoku cloud with the Mango settings to help you capture those big wins. You can find all of this at app.mangoresearch.co. And what's more is that you can try it all out for free.